भाई नाम का लंदन डेवलप्ड है। अभी एयरपोर्ट से ट्रेन लिया, ट्रेन बीच में रुक गया था तो हम लोग सब अभी बस के लिए खड़े हैं। ऐसा मुंबई में कभी नहीं होता। मुंबई में नीचे जाओ, रिक्शा लो, घर पहुंच जाओ, ख़त्म। ये क्या? एंड टैक्सीज आर लाइक फॉर 100 पाउंड, मतलब 10,000 रुपये। 10,000 रुपये टैक्सी का क्या भाई। अभी जिमी पता करके आई है, ये मस्त बस में चढ़ेंगे, वहाँ से ऑल्सकोट जाएंगे, फिर वापस दूसरी ट्रेन पकड़ेंगे। जितना टाइम मुझे मुंबई से इधर लग रहा है उससे ज़्यादा तो लंदन एयरपोर्ट से खुद के रेसिडेंस पहुँचने को लग रहा है। थर्ड लेग ऑफ आवर जर्नी टू द ट्यूब स्टेशन। दिस स्ट्रीट इज सो नाइस। हाँ, मस्त हवा चल रही है। बट मुंबई 1, लंदन -1, क्योंकि ईज़, कन्वीनियंस, ट्रैवल क्या है यार ये। बट ठीक है, एटलीस्ट त्रास दे रहा है पर थोड़ा ब्यूटीफुल त्रास दे रहा है तो चल जाएगा। स्टिल गोइंग स्ट्रॉन्ग, लिटरली इन सेंट्रल लंदन, ओके। और कितना सुनसान है। दिस इज़ लाइक व्हाट, इट्स 8:47 राइट नाउ। सेंट्रल लंदन में होके 8:47 पे इतना सुनसान एरिया है भाई। क्या है ये, क्यों ऐसा है? हाय रोम, हाय। We left my luggage in the room and now we are out for first night in London. Day 2. Welcome to proper day 1, but technically day 2 in London. And this is the mess we are leaving the room in. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं ब्लैंकेट लेने। कल ब्लैंकेट के बिना ही सो गए थे हम लोग, जैकेट डाल के। And yeah, messy room. Jimmy, let's go. This is my street during daytime, so now see it in sunlight. It's a very nice, quiet little street. We have a cafe right here. I like how the area is. So another problem that I've been facing everywhere is that London is cashless almost, and they don't take. I have 50 pounds hey notes, थोड़े जो exchange करवा है, and apparently they don't take that. पर अब हो गया। सो बेसिकली वी बॉट डुवे, तो उसका क्या था, वहाँ पे यू गो एंड देयर इज दिस एक्सप्रेस चेकआउट, सो यू जस्ट लाइक पुट इट ऑन द स्क्रीन एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू वांट एंड यू गेट दैट फ्रॉम द स्टोर। तो देयर वाज नो लाइक अ फिजिकल सुपर मार्केट। और बहुत जल्दी हो गया तो आई कुडंट ब्लॉग, मेरे को याद नहीं रहता। आई एम स्टिल न्यू, सो नाउ वी आर सर्चिंग फॉर अ टेस्को सुपर स्टोर बिकॉज आई वांट टू बी एबल टू सी स्टफ। तो मुझे याद आएगा कि अरे बॉक्स भी लेना है, ये भी लेना है, वो भी लेना है। तो अभी सिर्फ डुवे ले लिया, ब्लैंकेट्स, पिलोज ले लिए, क्योंकि सोने का है रात को। वापस जैकेट के साथ सो नहीं सकते। बट नाइस प्लेस। ये है हमारे हिसाब से यूके का नेशनल बर्ड। नहीं, मैं मजाक कर रही हूँ। कबूतर यहाँ पे रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ अमरीश पुरी। DDLJ रेफरेंस इफ यू गाइस आर फिल्मिंग। कब से बैग लेके घूम रहे, अभी ना मैं बैग फेंक दूँगी। एयरपोर्ट से इतना ट्रैवल किया बैग के साथ, अभी वापस ये ब्लैंकेट के चक्कर में इतना बैग लेके घूम रहे हैं। आई जस्ट कांट वेट टू फाइनली गेट रिड ऑफ दिस बैग एंड रोम नॉर्मली। फाइनली वी आर हियर एट अ फिजिकल स्टोर, Tesco. The first time I came to the UK was the first time I ever had croissants in my life, ठीक है। और तभी इंडिया में मिलता नहीं था, बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिलता था। तो मैंने टेस्को से बंडल्स बाय किए थे croissant के, और मैं स्कूल जाने के पहले लाइक आधा croissant खाती थी बिकॉज वो बचा के रखना था, क्योंकि मुंबई में मिलता नहीं था। गाइस सॉरी, वापस व्लॉग नहीं हुआ बिकॉज माई फ्रेंड जिमी कीप्स ऑन रनिंग एवरीवेयर। वो इतनी हाइपर है। फर्स्ट डे एंड मामा मियाँ के दर्शन हो गए। माता at a place called Cream Labs, and thankfully we'll have coffee now. भाई क्या थक गई हूँ मैं, क्या थक गई. Oh, by the way, I met somebody at Primark. She was an Indian and she just came up to me and she said she follows me on Instagram. So I was like, what? Just that happening in London for the first time. It has never happened to me before. Somebody in London coming up to me and saying that they follow me. That is so crazy. Easily the best part of like the whole month. One of the best moments of the whole month. टेढ़ा है क्या चश्मा? चश्मा टेढ़ा है क्या? गिर रहा है, ऐसा रॉन्ग गिर रहा है. This is so crazy to think about. And मैं फुल झल्ली की तरह, मेरा ऐसा कोट रैंडमली कुछ था और स्किन की तो बैंड ही बजी हुई है और हाथ में इतना सारा लगेज था और कोई आया एंड आई वाज जस्ट फीलिंग लाइक नॉट लाइक अ नॉर्मल इन्फ्लुएंसर. बट ये मस्त था, मुझे मैं बहुत खुश हुई. सब मेरे हैप्पी अबाउट इट. रोड का व्यू मस्त है. We are now at the bus stop which is close to my place, and look at how central it is. I'm just losing my mind over the fact that my residence is so central. Even though room बहुत ही छोटा है, पर I think I can make do for one person. But look at the location यार, क्या मस्त है. मुझे इतना 2 दिन हुआ इसलिए मज़ा आ रहा है. कल रात को मैं रोई, कल रात को मैं मेरे रूम और मेरे घर को याद कर रही थी. पर क्या एरिया है बे, मतलब अगर रोके घर से दूर होके आना ही है तो माइट एज वेल अच्छे एरिया में आ जाऊँ मैं, भगवान की दया से. टच वुड. ओह, दैट्स द गherkin. That's the famous gherkin. Yeah. Yay. Oh, I got this coat from Primark. I bought this coat. I like the color and it has gold buttons. Let's go. See, this is what I like. Old buildings, new buildings. Old building, new building.
Have you not heard Blank Space? Wildest Dreams.
Violet, say you remember me standing in a nice dress.
I don't want to be on the sunset.
Babe. Cheers. How do I close this door? This is the common area. That's the shot.
We're doing some adventure stuff. Oh my god.
Oh shit, वो नीचे उतरेगा यहाँ से.
I want to do that.
Oh, that's the gherkin. That's the shot. You know. What is this crazy view? So this is a screen where you can do movie nights, and then there's also screens at the end to like play whatever you want. There are tables. That's a snooker table over there. We were there last night. This is a common area, and it has like individual study pods, also the printing machine and all of that. And when we went inside, even those areas have like study pods, and they say this is supposed to be the quiet area, but we were there last night and a bunch of girls were just talking very loudly. So this is the common area of my building. Hi Jimmy. That's the Tower of London. That's the Tower Bridge. थेम्स मैया, थेम्स, यहाँ की गंगा. हाँ, ये भी बराबर है, यहाँ की गंगा उतना ही polluted है. By the way, this is not the London Bridge that was falling down. Actual London Bridge that was falling down was that one. This is the Tower Bridge. And it's a very common misconception that this is the London Bridge. This is not. We are here to picnic at this park, so we can get the view of Thames, of this city line where I'm staying. This is where I stay. And this is where my campus is, like behind this. This is Tower of Bridge. That is Thames. Everything in one frame. I'm just so happy. This is our food. This is Tower Bridge. This is Jimmy. And this is me. We are picnicking. बहुत साल पहले आरे पार्क में किया था पिकनिक. उसके बाद नहीं किया. Jimmy just went back with her fiance and I took the tube all by myself, and I also had to change lines and do all of that. I was scared a bit. Of course I did not vlog because I was too scared to vlog and all of that, but feels like I unlocked this thing, but I won't do it again. I'm never ever taking a tube by myself in the night, at least not right now. It was just 9:30 when we left, yet everything was like so closed and itna sannata tha, so it was very scary. But yeah, it's 10 p.m. So 10 p.m. was my deadline. I knew like I had to reach my residence at 10 p.m. no matter what. But yeah, I'm fine, thank you. How sweet. But even then, like just at 9:30 also it was so scary. So yeah, that was it, but did it. Hi, it's my first day alone in my room and I'm yet to set up my room because my friend was here and we did not get a chance. But right now I just grabbed some coffee and oats. I woke up at 9 and that was already too late. Here everybody like starts having their day around 7 a.m. Also, another weird thing that I saw here, which is very different from India. There is like, even when you change your SIM card like you put the UK SIM card and your phone sets to UK, and I set all my like iPad and all that, there's no AM PM. So even when I'm setting the alarm clock, there is no AM PM. Yahan pe it's the 24-hour clock. So after 12, instead of 1 2 PM, it is 13 14 15, you know, like that. And I knew that कि London में ऐसे time बोलते, but I thought that was just a cultural thing, as in when they are talking to each other they say, oh, we'll see you at 14:05 or something like that. I didn't know that they do it officially and that the phone's going to reset that way. So my phone it's just now showing 12. There's no AM, there's no PM, and I was so confused. I was like, am I setting the alarm to the right time and all of that? And then I realized, oh, the phone has also set itself to 24-hour clock. So that was very like something culturally so different. No, I like finding out all these small things which are like, oh, this is so different from where we live in. नहीं यहाँ पे ऐसे That's fine.
मैंने ना स्टार्ट किया था, फिर मैं बोर हो गई थी. मैंने मम्मी को स्टार्ट कराया. मम्मी ने ओह ये तो वाइट हाउस की सर.
This is a Somerset house. मुझे भी बहुत जलन हो रही है. आर्ची इज फीलिंग वेरी जेलस. हाँ अभी बहुत मस्त कैंपस है इन लोग का. अलाउड नहीं होना चाहिए ना इतना, सबको इधर ही रखना चाहिए.
इतना बड़ा है तो रख ही सकते हैं.
It's 10:30 right now and apparently this is
11.
Oh, it's 11 and we are going out for a King's welcome party. And we were scared because last night we really बहुत scary था, but आज तो full happening. I think it's about the area and we were already all dressed up. Some people ditched us at the last minute, but making do. We are doing it. Yes. And there's a lot of people here, तो इतना डर नहीं लग रहा है. And that's the club we have to go to. Stella. Oh, I like the vibe of this place. काफी हम लोग हैं. वो लोग उधर ही गए क्या?
चल रहे हैं.
मैं बता रही हूँ तुझे, वो लोग उधर. We were following a bunch of like really well dressed pretty ladies. Oh, they are going to the same town. So that's the club we are going to, and there's a line already, and these girls were the ones that we followed from the station, and they're going to the same place. So
And why such a long line? I should realize.
It's 2 o'clock in the night. It's 2 o'clock in the night. It's the night and we just left. And people are still going inside the club. I don't know how is that possible. We are here for the student union fair, in which you get to see what are the other different societies and you can choose what society you want to be a part of. That's the KCLSU. This is the fair. I just signed up for the student art pass and we have a chocolate fountain there, but there's too much line for that. The vibe is so good. I don't know if I've told you guys this before, but I hate cooking. I suck at it. I don't think I'm a bad cook. I can cook good food, but मुझे मन ही नहीं करता है. So I just went right now and bought like a lot of groceries for one person. So since 4 days I've not been cooking anything, only eating cup noodles. और फिर इसे पानी भी गर्म नहीं हुआ. So my friend came over and he showed me how to switch on the microwave, and I was only eating cup noodles and muesli and oats and all of that. Finally I got food, and I think I bought a lot of food for one person. So also I cannot vlog outside because मुझे डर रहता है कि फ़ोन को चोरी करके लेके जाएगा. So I bought like huge loaf of bread क्योंकि यही size available था. So not my fault. Granola, 2 avocados, and I got like a lot of veggies. I love green vegetables, so I got a lot of like spinach, lettuce, pak choy, all of that, rocket leaves, all of that. Sorry. This is mushroom, broccoli, butter, cheese mix. ये तो घर का ये है. Some plums, mixed berries, eggs, yogurt, milk, gherkins, teriyaki sauce. Okay. Now joke. इतना सब ले तो आई जो एक्चुअली ज़्यादा है एक इंसान के लिए, पर मुझे यहाँ आके रियलाइज़ हुआ मेरे पास चाकू ही नहीं है. मैं बनाऊंगी कैसे कुछ भी? ये क्या चालू है? एक पैन, एक प्लेट, एक स्पून, एक कप, सब एक लाई हूँ. चाकू ही नहीं लाई हूँ, सीजर नहीं लाई हूँ. काटूंगी कैसे सब? नहीं करना मुझे ये सब.